Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can add any song to Spotify. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead and open up your Spotify app. Make sure you are signed in as well, and then you're gonna go ahead, go to the search icon and type in and search a song. Once you find this song, you're gonna simply go ahead, tap on it, tap on this plus icon and tap on change and choose this song that you would like to add it to, and then tap on done. And when you go back, you can go back to your library, and there you go, your song will be added to the playlist that you have created. And that's what you can do. You can create more playlists, and you can simply go ahead, add artists. You can do that. You can create more playlist, and then you can add more song, right? You can create a new playlist, and you can go ahead, start adding the songs by simply going ahead and tapping on this plus icon, and there you go. So that's all you need to know. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.